Hello and welcome to our daily learning video. This is where you can get ideas for the letter of the day. And today's letter is H. H is for horses. So let me give you some ideas. First, we decorated letter H and we made it look like a horse. I just took a paper and made a head and then just drew the mane and the tail with markers. And then I drew black on the bottom. So there you have it. Now we can recognize letter H. It looks like this. We practiced writing letter H. We did some blending today. We even did some reading. We added some other letters at the end. We also, for art today, made a cool horse. I had a template or a pattern, and I traced it onto a piece of cardboard. And I just cut out some yarn and glued that on, and added clothespins for legs, and now my horse can stand up. For science today, I talked about the facts about horses, just some really cool things that I learned about horses. So let me share those with you right now. First of all, let's ask ourselves a question. When you're a very tiny baby, can you run? No, when we're a tiny baby, we cannot run. We can sleep, we can drink from a bottle, we can be rocked, but we can't run. But baby horses can. A baby horse is called a foal, and horses can run shortly after birth. Horses are herbivores. That means they eat plants, not meat. They mostly eat hay and grasses. Horses can sleep lying down, of course. But did you know that horses can also sleep standing up? They have really strong legs that keep them steady, so when they're standing up and they fall asleep, they won't fall over. This is really cool. Horses have bigger eyes than any other mammal that lives on land. Let me say that again. Horses have the biggest eyes of any land animal. That is pretty cool. A male or boy horse is called a stallion. Stallion. A female or girl horse is called a mare. Mare. A young horse that's not a baby and not yet an adult, but is a boy, is called a colt. A young female horse is called a filly. Do you ever have to get your nails clipped or filed? Our nails are having to be filed or cut or clipped because they're growing all the time. That's the same way it is with horses' hooves. They're always growing and they need to be clipped or filed down. There are special workers who take care of a horse's hooves. They file down the hooves so that they're not too long, and they also put horseshoes on the bottom of the horse's foot. A horse has 4 speeds: walk, trot, canter, and gallop. So that was our science. We learned some things about horses, some really cool facts. I forgot to tell you about math today. We did some subtraction using this math mat. So first we added some horses to the fence. 1, 2, 3, let's start with 4. And then we took some away. 4, this one's gonna jump over the fence. Take away 1 is how many horses in the fence? 1, 2, 3, 3 horses left. Let's do one more, and then I'll give you the link below so you can get a copy of this math mat and you can try some more on your own. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horses in the pen or in the fence. Now we're going to see if 3 horses can jump out of the fence. How many horses are in the fence now? What's 6 take away 3? 3 horses are left. So you can do some fun subtraction with those horses today for your math. Well, I think that pretty much sums up H is for horses. I think that's the main things that we did. So I hope you have some fun and join me next time for some letter of the day ideas. Goodbye.